Well, hello everyone.
I've always wondered, when you check your dipstick and you're checking the level of oil that you have in your engine, how much oil does it really indicate that you have versus how much you should have?
I mean, if you don't have any on the dipstick, what exactly does that mean?
Does it mean that your pan is empty or not? Just did the oil pump and then the dipstick.
So here's the dipstick, right? We're all familiar with that.
You pull this up here and you read the reading on the end of the dipstick there, right? So there's usually a spot that says
add oil,
or okay, or too much type thing.
But anyways, if you look at it here,
if you don't have any oil on your dipstick, you still got at least,
what I would say, an inch.
Before you get into the pickup. Pickup is right down in here.
okay.
That's where the oil gets pulled up inside here and sent, throughout the engine block to keep things nice and lubricated.
So if you check your dipstick,
And there's no oil on it, well, you still got a little bit of oil.
if it's too low, it'll actually start sucking air.
So when you're checking your dipstick,
That's what you're looking at right there.